how to install mods in Marvel Rivals. So if you want to install mods in Marvel Rivals, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So in order to download a mod you like on your PC, first you need to download the mod. You can search for Marvel Rivals mod and you'll find a lot of websites. You can just simply go with that. You can go with library, which is on the top left. Go with the Marvel Rivals, right click on it, and then you'll have manage option. Click on manage. And under manage, you will have an option of browse local files. You need to click on it. Or if you're using your Epic Game Store, then you need to click the three dots next to the game and go to manage and then click on the folder icon next to any installation. Next, you need to head over to your Marvel game and then click on Marvel and then content. And after that, go with packs and create a folder named mods. Paste the .pak file inside the mods folder and finally launch Marvel Rivals and enjoy the mod. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.